welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to make some interesting thing, that is a wall hanging which is made up of the materials available at your home. During this pandemic situation we can't go out like stationery and all, so you can make this wall hanging a decorative piece, you can say, with the materials available at home. Firstly, you need a thermocol. You will see this thermocol when you buy some new refrigerators and many more like electronic gadgets. And some of them will store these thermocols for some uses, like for some future uses. If they migrate to a place, they can pack these in the same boxes with some thermocol and they can go. So I'm using that thermocol piece over here that is very thin. You can even take which is thick too, and then I have made a ring out of it. And then you need some color papers which were cut into swirl rounds like this. So I have already made it done. I'll be showing how to make swirl rounds in this video. And then some jute flowers. I've already posted a video on the making of jute flowers, so if you have not watched it, I have given the link in the description box so you can check it out. Now let's begin. Now take a thermocol. No need to paint or do something, but instead of that, just brush it with a sandpaper at the corners like this, inside and outside. So to make sure that it will not be rough, it will be very smooth, and when you hang it somewhere, the thermocol balls out of it, they just fall down. But when you brush it, they won't. So you can even brush this with sponge too, but sponge, it takes a lot of time. For sandpaper, it just takes 5 minutes or few minutes. That's a couple of minutes, you can say. Now I have took ball pins, so I will be showing what are ball pins over here. See, the head is something like ball and broad. It is not at all sharp, it is broad, and then there will be a sharp end which is known as a pin. So head and tail, you can see, these are known as ball pins. So with that ball pins, I have chosen the center of the flower. You can see over here the head of the ball pin. I have pushed it, and now you can see, right? Now I'm pinning this to the thermocol in a slightly bent manner, and then just do it like this. It will be enough. So I'm having many. But make sure that you're having many jute flowers, because it should be very bushy and you should not give much space, like leave much space between them. So if you leave some space, it may, it will not be very bushy like this. So I don't want to leave any space in between. So you can make only half of it, and you can make some lavender flowers out of quilling strips and make half the other half. If you want to make it like full of jute flowers, then you need 20 to 30 flowers, or else you need some 15 to 10 flowers. It will be enough. So I have made half of it. Even I will do the second half of it, and I will show the next step. Ready? I have done it, and this is very bushy. You can see over here, and I have put some 25 flowers around, I think. And now I will show how to do these swirl rounds. For that, you need a color paper. I took a light blue color paper with which I made these swirl rounds. So I have cut it into some strings like thing, and then look carefully. I'm taking each string. I have took one string. It's one string in my hand, and then just fold it or swirl it with your finger like this. So swirl it and then make a cut. See, here I'm making a cut. So you will be getting this swirl. So with that, I made these many swirls. So you may be thinking that I will make some lavender flowers or something like that with these swirls. But what I made is, I just kept them at the center of the flowers to give it an attraction, because it is pure white and no one will get attracted to this. But I have made like this to get some attraction at the flowers too. Now the hangings which I am going to make is, now let us have the final look. And I know some of you have guessed what shape of hangings I have kept. So now let us have the final look. I have kept a transparent wire. I have hot glued it. Then this is the ring which we have made. Then the hangings. Now you can see. They are like heart shaped hangings. You can even decorate this at a wardrobe, or in the entrance of your room, like hanging at the door. But I kept at my study table because I want my study table very attractive. So I have kept there. So yes, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. And if you have tried, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.